Good morning.
How's your day? So, spiral of silence theory. Have you heard it before? Anyone? Oh, yes, someone there.
There is that about people staying quiet when their opinions are different from others.
Yes, exactly. It's not made by Novella, Norman. So, this theory was when feel their option is unpopular because they feel being judged or isolated.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, there.
So, when people stop speaking it looks like everyone agrees with the majority, even if they don't.
Yes, that's right. That's how silence is growing. It's like a spiral that adds rings of turns. So, alright, let's start a short discussion. Do you think the voting age should be lower than 16? Yes, I do.
Teenagers are more aware now and should help adults with their lives.
I disagree. Most 16 years old are not enough to make political choices.
Anyone who wants to answer or share the idea?
Sure.
Yes, it's very happy.
Honestly, sir, I also agree with Alvin, but I didn't want others to think against the majority.
That's right. There's a spiral of silence. Some you have held back your opinions because they're fear of being judged. That's all with the spiral of silence theory. So you have any learnings that you want to share for this morning? Yes, someone there?
Sir, I realize silence doesn't mean always activity. Sometimes it means fear.
Yes, Mr. Son.
I'm agreeing with you, sir.
Yes.
And public opinions really affects how we express ourselves.
Yes, exactly.
If we keep quiet, we're not severe discussion. And that's not good for democracy.
Yes, Mr. Francis.
Should learn to respect opinions even when they are different.
Thank you. So, yes, Mr. Alvin, do you want to add something to Mr. Francis' speech?
That way people will feel safe to speak up.
Exactly. That's true. Communication happens when everyone is free to share their voice. Let's all remember, everyone's opinion was matter. So it's already time. So that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the